Hi, I'm Don Kiley, an independent consultant, an AppDev courseware author, and instructor. When I'm not working with technologies, I ski jor, explore whitewater rivers in a kayak or canoe, and help rescue abandoned sled dogs. This course is about one of the members of Microsoft's business intelligence troika, integration services. This is a tool that you can use to perform extract, transform, and load operations on data, which are known as ETL operations. It lets you move data from one place to another, changing its shape along the way if you need to. I'll start this course with a tour of integration services so that you can get a feel for the development tools and features that I'll explore in more depth throughout the course. Then I'll show you how to build control flows, which are the overall workflow of an integration services package. Next, I'll dive into the most important control flow task, the data flow. A package's data flow does the heavy lifting of moving data from one place to another, transforming it along the way. Then I'll get into some of the features that can make your packages resilient and robust, such as the use of variables and configurations to make them dynamic and adapt to different environments. You'll see how to handle situations when things go wrong, such as when an external resource isn't available or the data you're working with has problems. This includes using checkpoints, which lets you restart packages that fail, starting from the point of failure. I'll also explain about synchronous and asynchronous transformations, and why using one can cause serious performance problems. Then I'll explore features in integration services that help you deploy and manage packages over their entire lifecycle. It isn't often that the built-in components can't do what you need, but you can use .NET programming code and the .NET framework to go beyond the capabilities of integration services. I'll wrap up the course with a look at best practices and various ways you can use packages to perform tasks other than traditional ETL operations. That's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Integration Services is Microsoft's enterprise-grade tool for the extraction, transformation, and loading of data. It's designed to handle the migration and manipulation of data through the lifecycle of a BI application. But it has usefulness far beyond business intelligence. Any time that you need to move data from one data store to another, particularly if you need to change the data along the way, consider using integration services. In addition to SQL Server, it supports virtually any data storage source and destination, including databases like Oracle and Sybase, comma-delimited files, Excel spreadsheets, and many others. So let's get started on our tour.